see many examples of how our reputation translates into action in 2018. So it's fitting that we kick things off with a concept vehicle, one that embodies a vision for more sustainable urban mobility. Making its North American Auto Show premiere, please take a look at the Toyota i-TRIL concept. We're down here at the Auto Show with at the Toyota booth, where this year we're showing off a lot of new environmental technologies, from new hybrids through the Prius Prime, which is about to go on sale here in Ontario, to the Toyota Mirai, our fuel cell vehicle, which will be starting on sale in Quebec and then moving across the country later this year. We're here in front of the i-TRIL concept, which not only is about having, zero emission vehicles, but about having the fun of a very agile urban vehicle combined with the use of artificial intelligence to actually expand the way that drivers interact with their cars. So this one's a vehicle that builds on one that we demonstrated here at the Toronto Auto Show a couple of years ago, called the i-Road. That vehicle had 3 wheels. It sat a maximum of 2 people in it. This one moves to 4 wheels with 3 passenger capacity, but it shares many of the same features. All electric, like a motorcycle. The body and the front wheels lean into curves, while keeping the rear wheels perpendicular to the road to drive the car. But unlike the i-Road, it goes the next step and brings artificial intelligence and new types of controls into the vehicle. So this is a vehicle designed to be semi-automated, to allow voice control over most of the interior instruments in the vehicle, and to really bring that sort of tight connection between the driver and his or her vehicle back that we all remember from when we were kids, and driving a car was just the most exciting thing in your life. We want to bring that excitement back, but we want to do it in a way that is environmentally responsible, that brings the latest of technologies, both from consumer electronics and also from a safety standpoint, and then puts you in charge of just enjoying the ride. Of course, is all of those sort of interactive vehicles that we're bringing out. There's a whole range of these vehicles that have artificial intelligence that work with the driver to expand the safety and functionality of the vehicle. And TRIL, well, it's kind of our way of hinting at what the car delivers, which is the thrill of driving. It's our view of one aspect of the future of automobiles. The reality is, we think cars are going to stop looking like cars, and they're going to serve a multiple range of different services, all in the spirit of mobility. And those are the things that we're talking about this year as Toyota's a global mobility partner for the Olympics. It's our opportunity to demonstrate that everything happens, everything's possible when you're able to move around. So it's not just about driving cars down the road. It's about assistive devices. It's about low-speed neighborhood vehicles. It's about a whole range of things that allow people to move and have the ability to get around. So the i-TRIL actually builds on the i-Road, as I was saying earlier, and i-Road has been deployed in both France and in Japan in car-sharing projects. We expect that a next generation of that technology will be released into similar sorts of car sharing projects and other experiments around the world. The issue of how quickly that happens really comes down to how do the traffic codes and national safety standards of each country move forward. These vehicles are exceptionally safe, but because they don't look like traditional cars, they don't actually meet the normal code. So if you think about that i-Road that I was speaking about, it was a 3-wheel vehicle. Now, three-wheel vehicles are legal on the road, but under Canadian law, they typically are defined as motorcycles, so you end up having to wear a helmet when you drive one, which kind of defeats the purpose of having an enclosed cabin in the car. When we bring vehicles like this to the auto show, it's for three reasons. It's to ensure that the people can have a look and be excited and want to come down and see all the vehicles at the auto show. But it's also because we want people to come down to the show so we can talk to them and say, all right, this is what we're trying to do with this technology or this design. What do you think about it? Can you see it, as part of your life? And the third aspect of it is that we bring these vehicles out so that we can talk to governments, to regulatory authorities, and say, all right, here's a new technology, here's a new design, here's a new approach to getting around. How does it work with with your plans for the transportation system overall? And we're very hopeful that we can bring technology like this to Canadian roads quite soon.